Hey you guys, so we're just getting to the beach right now. I don't know if you could hear me, it's pretty windy. But me, George, and the boys and George's family all came over here to Coronado Island. We just ate right now on base. And now we're getting to the beach. I think it's already like 2 o'clock. Careful. Let me see, Judy. Awesome, me and Judy just found our first $10. Woohoo! Is that fun? You like the water, Jaden? Alright. Whoa, hold on. You got her back? Did you get her back?
We made a pretty badass sandcastle area.
Oh, the water just ruined it.
Yeah. Then we made a trench so it could be a little river, but the tide was too strong.
Are you having fun, Judy?
Huh?
Are you having fun?
Yeah, we're getting a pool.
You're making a pool at the beach? You weren't scared to get married? Huh?
No, we're going in the. I'm getting in the water. Me too.
Did you get married?
No. Yeah.
No? Why? Like, I'm smarter than that.
Look, that one's right there. It's coming out.
Careful, you don't slip.
Oh, the water took him.
Look at that little fish bite you, man.
Yeah, I see it.
Don't throw that at me. That's so nasty. So we just found this little area right now that has a bunch of little fishes and crabs. Seriously, babe? Are you having fun here, Jaden?
Yeah.
Yeah? I'm so glad we still ended up coming. We almost didn't come because it was supposed to be cold, but it's been really nice here. What are you guys making?
A pool, big deep pool.
A bigger pool this time? First Jaden, now him. Don't get in his way, Judy.
Come on,
Are you helping or what?
Ahorita todo va. Oh, it's dead. It only died a long time ago.
It's all dried up. JD.
Here, move.
Don't get in his way. He's on a roll.
Making a friend.
Did you guys have fun? Did you have fun, Jaden? Yeah?
Sunflower seeds.
Sunflower seeds. Of course. Of course. You have to flip off the camera. Did you have fun, babe?
Sure it did.
Why do you get so nervous?
Don't.
Go wash off. Is it cold?
Fine.
Just fast. Be tough. You gotta wash all the sand off. Rub it on your stomach, baby. There's sand all over your stomach.
Rub it on your stomach.
Alright. Remember he used to scream when he was little when you even tried to do that to him?
Oh, you're not done. Think
His
about
back,
tacos.
too.
Think about tacos.
Think about tacos. Jaden, you're next.
What's your stomach?
Is it super cold, JD? Alright, so we're just about to leave the beach now. We've been here pretty much all day. I think it's like a little after 7. But I'm so happy we ended up coming. It was a lot of fun. The kids had a blast. I think we're going to go get something to eat and then we'll probably just head back to George's parents' house.
Hey, you guys.
What are you doing? Here, eat your tacos.
Me. That.
Okay, too much.